Have you ever gone to a yoga class feeling like you really are there just for Shavasana? I think that some of us just feel like we just want to show up and rest. And what I want to share with you is that you can actually do Shavasana anytime. You don't have to wait for a yoga class and for your mat to do Shavasana. I am Krista Oakes, and I am a yoga and meditation instructor. And each Monday, I like to share with you a Mindful Monday. Shavasana is a time to rest, to rejuvenate, to restore, to feel good. Shavasana is a wakeful rest. It's about giving yourself some time with yourself to rest, to relax, and to feel good. But you can do that at home on the floor. You can lay down in your bed. You can even take a Shavasana in your car, just kind of sitting back. Now, this is different than falling asleep or a nap. Sometimes Shavasana could lead to a nap, which would be perfectly fine. But really, the point of Shavasana is for a wakeful rest. But know that you can do this any time and give yourself the gift every day even for a Shavasana. I encourage you to try it this week. So practice giving yourself the time to rest this week, and stay tuned over the next couple weeks where I'm going to share with you some other tips about Shavasana. I hope you have a beautiful, restful day. Namaste.